construction meets invention, these industrial shredders aren't just tearing things apart. They're making new opportunities from old waste. Let's see the raw power in action. Welcome to Discover Tech. The numbers are staggering. 25 million vehicles retired every year. Left to rot, they'd bury us in waste. But thanks to industrial shredders, these mechanical corpses are reborn. Steel, aluminum, copper, all pulled from the wreckage and returned to the world as raw material. This isn't just cleanup, it's a new beginning. The R-Top SC50 offers precision stump removal with minimal impact to surrounding terrain. Its clean-cutting design minimizes manual labor and significantly reduces ground disruption, a highly efficient alternative to traditional methods. Don't blink, that branch just vanished. The R-Palm Universal Wood Chipper takes in limbs like spaghetti, no hesitation. Behind its compact frame lies a storm of spinning blades and raw torque. Trailer mounted and always ready to roll, it's a favorite among those who clear the land. You set the log in place, one spin of the drum, and it's gone. The RP300 doesn't split, it obliterates. Fast, clean, relentless. Think about it. How many hours of back pain could this machine save you? Whether viewed as the final stage or the beginning of streamlined logistics, the Rabbit Zillow Pack introduces precision to firewood packaging. Following cutting, splitting, and stacking, it ensures consistent, optimized packing, ready for transport or sale. You're deep in the woods, no access roads, no full-size machines. But this compact ATV backhoe, it shows up, digs in, and clears stumps like a pro. Portable, powerful, and precise. The pallet looked useless, just another chunk of junk. Then the Star Chill chipper took over. In moments, it was fuel, clean, usable, purposeful. It's more than machinery. It's a reminder that even destruction can lead to creation. Meet the DOP SM518 Plus, the soil-sifting beast. It spins like a massive gold panner, churning raw earth through its drum until only rich, fine topsoil flows out. Landscaping, farming, turf. This machine delivers the good stuff every time. Engineered for speed and efficiency, this compact branch logger processes logs up to 200 millimeters in diameter in just seconds. Ideal for high-output firewood operations, it significantly reduces labor and boosts daily productivity. No more test runs. This is the real deal. A raw log, fresh from the forest, bark thick and sap wet. But the Gondini Energy 4075 doesn't flinch. Its roller grabs tight like a predator in motion, dragging the log into a storm of spinning blades. This is power, where PTO muscle meets forged Italian steel, transforming forest waste into green gold. I've often been curious about the bark removal process in logging operations, and this video provided the perfect explanation. Very informative and surprisingly satisfying to watch. Thanks for sharing this, Joe. You've got a pile of limbs and a long winter ahead, but with this cutting stand, those scraps turn into perfect firewood, clean, quick, and with no waste. It's not just smart, it's a game changer. Just imagine how much you'd save each year. Introducing the Pilato PTH 1000/1000E, a high-capacity stationary chipper engineered for clean performance. Driven by a 335 horsepower electric motor, it delivers zero on-site emissions while handling logs up to 18 inches in diameter. The 39-inch by 24-inch feed opening leads to a 39-inch diameter drum equipped with 3 precision ground knives, ensuring consistent output between 235 and 262 cubic yards per hour. While optimized for productivity, operator vigilance is critical to ensure safe operation. Formerly the foundation for railroads, these aged wooden cross ties served under the weight of locomotives for decades. Today, they are processed into fuel. a sustainable solution by Thai Energy that redefines recycling by transforming industrial waste into renewable power. You've cleared the logs, the brush is gone, but the stumps remain until the Rotor S shows up. Hitched to a John Deere 7730, this thing doesn't ask permission. The cone head bites deep, spinning backwards through bark, root, and memory. In moments, what stood for decades is reduced to mulch and dust. Despite having a relatively modest 700 horsepower engine, its specialized drum and aggressive feed rollers enable it to process timber with impressive efficiency. Even irregular logs pose no issue. However, current operators appear to be overfeeding the unit, neglecting signs of mechanical strain. While the machine is capable, continuous operation under such stress conditions presents clear operational risks. The ground shakes. One scoop from the Komatsu PC 2000 lifts more than 12 cubic meters, over 100 tons gone in an hour. Rock, dirt, rubble, all cleared in minutes. When muscle meets mission, the mountain moves. The AMRV-7 vertical log splitter delivers 17 tons of hydraulic pressure, enabling efficient processing of dense hardwood. Its vertical design allows for stable operation, and its steel wedge ensures clean splits with every stroke, ideal for high-resistance timber. It's refreshing to see a chipper like the Crake 4 that delivers strong performance in a space-efficient design, handles conifers with ease, almost like it's asking for more. Before that stylish cabinet sat in your kitchen, it had a humble beginning, as a wood chip. Not just any chip, but one chosen from premium plantation timber, chipped with care, then steamed to softness at 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Mixed with powerful resin, those fibers became a flawless panel. Smooth, strong, reliable. It's a quiet journey from forest to furniture, and it all begins with one chip done right.
Mamy do zaprezentowania uparkę do drewna, świdrową.
Utilizing a conical screw mechanism, this log splitter relies on rotational force rather than a cutting edge. The design is compact, low maintenance, and delivers powerful, consistent splitting. An efficient addition to any modern workshop. The CAT 259D, paired with the FA 150 mulcher, is designed for heavy-duty land clearing. Unlike conventional mowing, this setup tackles dense underbrush, small trees, and uneven terrain with precision. The rubber tracks provide traction across challenging surfaces, while the front mulcher converts vegetation into finely processed mulch in real time.
Same spot we were at before. See, everything's nice and clear. Everything knocked down, back dragged with the mulcher. Looks really good. Trees. Nice and clear.
Powered by the Z-Tour 4340's PTO, the Kapan CV18 delivers 18 tons of vertical splitting force with clean, consistent performance. Engineered for high-volume firewood production, it offers a dependable and efficient solution for serious operators. The use of a worm gear clearly prioritizes safety, but does it significantly reduce the feed rate? I'm curious if there are alternative methods to manage the torque surge. Perhaps a hydraulic accumulator or a different clutch design. Thoughts? If you found this content valuable, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more industrial insights. The TXT DSV 20 mid-speed shredder utilizes a dual shaft system and high torque output to process wood waste efficiently, representing a strong step forward in sustainable material management. Just spotted this monster of a stump grinder auger, straight up needed on my Bobcat wish list. Built for strength and speed, this hydraulic log splitter delivers efficient firewood processing with a robust steel design. While effective, adding a protective shield would enhance debris control and operator safety.